The Massachusetts-based robotics design company has recently developed a new smart robot toy, which is easily maneuvered with simple hand gestures through advanced sensing technology. Whether it's moving forward, backward or rotating, just by moving your fingers, you can realize a cool action show. My biggest wish as a kid was to have a robot, and I want my kids to have one too. It really is the best gift for Christmas too. Today this artificial intelligence robot is regularly priced at $259, and the Christmas special is only $59 a piece today. Program various commands at will and make voice gestures, which not only exercises your child's logical thinking, but also stimulates their imagination. It also has an AI system that learns the human mind to communicate, will answer questions like an encyclopedia, and not only sings and dances, but also learns English, music, and science stories. Only the last 23 pieces left in the warehouse stock. Grab it now.